What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another adventure with the Bearded Bobber. And today I am on this Road Glide CVO. They're calling this the Shark. It's got this beautiful deep blue fade down to a brighter blue. This is a sexy bike. Now, Blue Bike and Doyle has one, a Road Glide, and I see why everybody got it. Dave and Angie. Dave, I'm riding the Road Glide, okay? I'm taking advantage and riding everything, but I got advantage of this Road Glide having a 117 with this snorkel over here on the side that you can hear the motor open up. Oh, man. This is a gorgeous bike. It rides really good. I'm very comfortable in my seating position. The cockpit's not as bad as I thought. Being in the saddle, having this stuff, I wasn't sure how I was gonna like the look of it. But, and I'm not saying just the styles that Harley picked, I'm just saying the way it's laid out. Like, I do like the Street Glide, and when it comes down to these two, I like the Street Glide more. I know, it's not a fixed fairing, but handling wise and stuff like that, I'm in windy Victorville right now, and it's not that much of a difference for me. The Street Glide was bitching. This is great. It does have a really nice handling. They both dug into the corners very well. I like the way the bars are set up a little bit better than the Street Glide, but at the end of the day, I like the Street Glide. So Street Glide cheaped in setup with the Batwing, definitely where I'd go. That Street Glide, I'll put a link to that video that I already made, but that's where it's at. You hear that? Now you guys got a chance to put one of those on there in your bike. Ooh, look at that bike lift. All right, look at this heavy. Look at, not heavy, I mean, it doesn't feel heavy, but look, we're in third gear. All right, at 3.5 RPMs. So ready? God damn! We're not supposed to do that, but I only did a little bit, okay? I'm sorry, I just wanted to show everybody on YouTube the lift on this bike. Ooh, boy, howdy. But it's got a nice infotainment center, stage 2 stereo. The stage 3 is definitely better. I definitely can hear it a lot better than the stage 2. I don't know if this one just felt quiet because I was just on the stage 3, but you know, you got all your normal stuff, your tach, your speedometer, fuel gauge, volts. This has just a very nice setup, man. It's gorgeous. It's a very pretty bike. Say very a couple hundred more times. I really love the look of it, but both CVOs were gorgeous. And I was saying this earlier, Harley wins on paint jobs every time. Like, as of right now, I want to see more cool paint jobs for Indian. Right now, Harley is killing the game from the factory. Granted, it's not a cheap bike, but if you are in the market for a bike like this, well, I'm jealous. I was like, I don't think I can do the CVO, but I do want to get a bagger, so I'm definitely glad I rode it. I can finally get this fixed fairing itch off me. Oh my god, I love this motor. This motor is sexy right here. Seriously, all this horsepower, nowhere to go. I got nobody behind me. It's getting windy, guys, so I'm sure you can hear that. So I'm gonna get out of here. This is my last ride of the day. I gotta thank Victorville Harleys Davidson for putting on a great event, and I'm just sad I was only here for one day of it. So alright guys, stay safe, stay classy. Hey, remember to leave in the comments if you own something like this and your thoughts, like what motor you have, stuff like that. What are your thoughts on the new 117 that they're coming with in these CVOs? Alright, you guys.
much of a poet, but I know somebody once told me to seize the moment and don't squander it.